Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide an Weka tutorial only. In this I'm just using the classification of decision tree in cross validation. So before that we are also going to train our data set. The data set which I'm using is KDD train data set which I downloaded from Kaggle. So first I'm going to do filtering. The filter method which I'm going to choose is supervised filtering only. Today I'm going to choose, and in that as attribute selection only I have done. So now I'm going to give apply. So here you can see our log is running and now it has completed. So these are the selected logs from the KDD train data set. Now I'm just moving to the other classification session in Weka. So in Weka, we only need to train our data set algorithms based on the algorithms they have given here. So here I'm just going to use the decision table algorithm, and here they have already given like 10 folds, but I'm only choosing 2 since because as the folds increases the time will also increase. So here I'm working with an two-fold classification work. So but two-fold classification is also providing better results only. You can see for this is the confusion matrix. You can see it's not providing that much differentiation. So while we can also work with some other folds. So before previously we got some values like trade truth positive, truth negative, and all. So uh, so for every previously when compared to the two cross validation matrix, you can just notice some difference between the values like truth positive, false positive, and all. So when compared to other programmings like MATLAB and Python, some classification works you can see some differentiations. Why? Because you only need to make the choose the algorithms and what is the parameter. If you want to set some parameters, means you have to just give. If you want more options, means here you can choose. So if not, means yeah, you no need to choose. Then here also you can based on the here at when compared to this is easy, but mostly we can work with only machine learning algorithms. Deep learning algorithms is not found in this Weka. And also you will be getting more variables like kappa statistics, mean absolute error, then root mean square error, then relative absolute error, root relative square error, and then truth positive, false positive, precision, recall, F1 score, MCC, then ROC area, PRC area, then what are the classes? We are having nearly two classes like normal classes and anomaly classes. So that is based plotted in a confusion matrix. So already I gave 2 and 3. So now we can check with the five-fold. Five-fold is also not taking not much time, only 2.4 seconds it is taking to build the model. But till now we haven't received for the values. Now we can see it is received. So for every fold difference, you can see there is some difference between the, but not much difference, only some minute variations are there. So this is the code for decision tree with the Weka and also and supervised filtering algorithm in Weka. So like this, if you are interested in working with Weka with a separate data set, means you can please make an comment in the description box so that we can just make a video regarding that. Thank you.